this video, we will discuss about creating constructivist learning environment in classroom. In the constructive classroom, the teacher's role is important to facilitate discussion. The teacher's main focus should be on guiding students by asking questions that will lead them to develop four skills and own conclusions on the subject. According to Parker J. Palmer, that good teachers join self, subject, and students in the fabric of life because they teach from an integral and undivided self. They manifest in their own lives and evoke in their students a capacity for connectedness. There are three major roles for facilitators to support students in constructivist learning environment. These are modeling, coaching, and scaffolding. Modeling, according to Jonathan, is the most commonly used in instructional strategy. The two types of modeling are behavioral modeling, cognitive modeling. In behavioral modeling, the constructivist learning environments demonstrates how to perform the activities identified in the activity structure. In cognitive modeling, it articulates the reasoning, reflection in action that learners should use while engaged in the activities. Number 2 is coaching. Jonathan says that the role of coach is complex and inexact. He acknowledges that a good coach motivates learners, analyzes their performance, provides feedback and advice on the performance and how to learn about how to perform, and provokes reflection and articulation of what was learned. In this coaching, the coach observes the performance and provides encouragement, diagnosis, directions, and feedbacks. Coaching naturally and necessarily involves responses that are situated in the learner's task performance. Scaffolding is more systematic approach to support the learner, focus on task, the environment and the teacher and the learner. Scaffolding provides temporary frameworks to support learning and student performance beyond their capacities. The concept of scaffolding represents any kind of support for cognitive activity that is provided by an adult when the child and an adult are performing the task together. So, a constructivist teacher and a constructivist classroom exhibit a number of discernible qualities, markedly different from a traditional or direct institution classroom. A constructivist teacher is able to flexibly and creatively incorporate ongoing experiences in the classroom into the negotiation and construction of lessons with small groups and individuals. The environment is democratic, the activities are interactive and student-centered, and the students are empowered by a teacher who operates as a facilitator or consultant. Constructivist classrooms are structured so that learners are immersed in experiences within which they may engage in making inquiry, action, imagination, invention, interaction, hypothesizing, and personal reflection. Teachers need to recognize how people use their own experiences, prior knowledge, and perceptions, as well as their physical, interpersonal environments to construct knowledge and meaning. The goal is to produce a democratic classroom environment that provides meaningful learning experiences for autonomous learners. This perspective of learning presents an alternative view of what is regarded as knowledge, suggesting that there may be many ways of interpreting or understanding the world. No longer the teacher is seen as an expert who knows the answers to the question she or he has constructed, while the students are asked to identify their teacher's constructions rather than to construct their own meanings. In a constructivist classroom, students are encouraged to use prior experiences to help them form and reform interpretations. This may be illustrated by reference to a personal response approach to literature. A constructivist named Rosenblatt argues for a personal and constructive response to literature, whereby students' own experiences and perceptions are brought to the reading task, so that in transacting with that text, the realities and interpretations with the students construct their own. So that's all in this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for joining. Bye bye.